What are you eating, Connor? Is that broccoli?
It's some nasty stuff. Huh. Yeah, broccoli is definitely not that good a food, is it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I'm like too excited.
What do you think?
What a good boy!
That's good stuff, huh?
What a good boy you are. What a good boy you are. Ready? Big bite. Nom nom nom.
Is that good?
Nom nom. Yeah. Quit playing. Chew. There you go. You ready? Ready?